Hey guys, what's up? In this video, we are going to discuss top 7 web apps every web dev should know. But before that, if you are new to CodeOClock and it's your first time, please subscribe to CodeOClock and press that bell icon to get notified about more such amazing stuff at CodeOClock. If you're a web developer, then you might have definitely heard about CodePen. CodePen is an online code editor where you can test your code or rather build a new one and see that in the making simultaneously. Not just that, at CodePen, there's a plethora of things you can do. For example, learn new topics like React, Vue, etc. Share your work with millions of developers around the globe, or search for any queries regarding web development at the same time. So, at number 1, we have CodePen. Having a hard time figuring the color theme for your website? Well, worry not. CodeHunt to the rescue. At number 2, we have CodeHunt.co. It's an amazing web app with a variety of color themes for your website. It has got a huge range of palettes of various color themes, and all you have to do is hover over the color and get the hex value. They also have various categories like new, trendy, popular, and random. If you like to add gradients to your backgrounds, then this is the app for you. At number 3, we have CSS Gradient.io. It has got a pretty much appealing UX, and as you can see at the home, we get a tool where you can select the color of your choice and get the gradient values for it. Or here's my favorite part, they have a pretty amazing collection of gradient backgrounds like this, and all you have to do, just click here and get the value of that gradient. And they also have buttons. Oh wow, so not only they are gradient buttons, but when you hover over them you get a slight animation. So definitely a web app to look at. Adding grid to your websites can be quite tricky at times. At number 4, we have Layoutit.com. As you can see, it has got a simple GUI with the help of which you can build grid and get the code generated right here. So what you can do is you can add columns and rows, or remove some if you want, change the value of the ratios and the units, and you can add gap between the grid. So yes, you can do pretty much everything we do with a grid system. At number 5, we have CSSButtonGenerator.com. As the name suggests, it's a button generator web app with a collection of pre-designed buttons. You can simply get the code for them or customize them if you want. Almost all websites have a contact us page at them. So don't you think it would be way more cooler to add your GPS map rather than just plain simple text of your address? At number 5, we have Embed Google Map.net. All you got to do is enter your address here and press get HTML code. That's it. Then copy this code and paste it at your page, and you will have your own location map for you. And at last, at number 7, we have FontAwesome.com. At FontAwesome, you can search for any icons for your website and make your website into an appealing one. I'm pretty much sure there isn't an icon which exists but is not on FontAwesome. You can search for your icons from the huge collection and you can customize them if you want. So these were the top 7 web apps for you. If you liked this video and got to learn something new, Don't forget to press the like button below and subscribe to CodeOClock. Share this video with all your CS buddies.